Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be making a tutorial on this cool magic trick I found. So, this is what the trick looks like when you perform it. So basically it's multiplying the balls. And so for this trick to work, you need 2 sponge balls, doesn't matter which color, but I have red. And first step is to hide your ball. So pretending there's only one. So if you made a gun with your hand, it would hide right in these 3 fingers right here, like that. So you can use this to point at your other hand. Second step, doesn't matter how you do it, just find a way to have your ball in your hand. You can place it there, do whatever you want. And try to lead the audience's attention to this ball and away from this one. That way they don't pay too much attention and notice. So second step is just in a fluid movement, smack your hand down on it. You can blow on it to exaggerate it. And when you open your hand, there should be 2. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like, and you can do your own cool magic tricks as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!